I don't want to drive my car this morning. I thought this might be a bit faster than walking, but I don't know if it's going to be.
The person I interviewed got stuck in the snow, so now I have to push her out. You're welcome.
When I saw it this morning, it didn't look like too much until I got outside. Then it was a lot more than I expected. It was almost at least, I think, a foot at least when I stepped out onto the driveway. Happy shoveling, everybody.
I love it. I'm ready to go sledding. I want to make a snowman. I got to get to a presentation, but otherwise, maybe after lunch.
I'm from Scotland originally, and we don't get snow like this. It's a struggle, but I've been living in Canada for a while, so I guess I'm used to it.
It is winter. We're Canadians and we should be used to it.
It's kind of cool. I like it. It's great. We're Canadians. Have to keep going.
Do you like sledding as well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what would be your advice for people to make the most of this snow? What do you think people should do?
Maybe build a snowman or something.
What do you think?
Make a snowman?
Okay, and do you have any advice for making a really good snowman?
No. Put a nose?
Put a nose. Okay, what should you make the nose out of?
A carrot.
It's great. The kids are home for the day. We haven't had much snow this year, and it's fun. It's tiring.
Okay, what do you think about snow? Do you like snow?
Mm-hmm.
What do you like about it?
It's fun.
Okay, and is there anything you like to do, your favorite thing to do in the snow?
Go sledding.